Check this out. This appears to be a 1970s or 1980s fetters. Like, appears to be 18 or 20,000 BTU, 220 volt air conditioner. I remember this unit working one time, but recently it has fan motor problems. So I hope this unit better not get replaced. It's not worth getting a brand new getting a worthless brand new air conditioner. It'll brand new ones, like I say, will never outperform this beast. Poor planning, I know. Yep. And this is it. Yep, this is the fetters, and requires 220 volts. But not only does it have fan motor problems, but it's in the middle of winter right now, so it's off season, obviously. But this unit will outperform any modern air conditioner. I just used on single outlet circuit only. So I hope they would try to fix the fan motor, or better yet, replace the fan motor. And I think I remember seeing the outside of this unit, and it appears that they've replaced the compressor in this air conditioner. And it says right there, a teacher left a note saying fix air conditioner. Alright, sorry about this rather boring video, because it's not only is it in the middle of winter, but the fan motor's bad. Alright, so hope you enjoyed the video.